Think your car is clean? Look again. Invisible threats are lurking in your vehicle. Mold, bacteria, and odor-causing contaminants hiding where you least expect. Introducing the ultimate defense. Protect Automotive Mold Fogger. A powerful, deep-penetrating solution for a fresher, safer drive. It's easy. Just start your engine, set your AC to max, and press the Circulate Air button. Shake the can well. Place it centrally. Press down the actuator, and let it do the magic. Watch as the ultrafine fog travels deep into every surface, cleansing, sanitizing, and eliminating mold, bacteria, and stubborn odors at the source. Let it work for 15 minutes, ventilate for 30 minutes, and just like that, your vehicle is refreshed, protected, and purifying. Protect. Purify. Breathe easy. Try Protect Automotive Mold Fogger today.